Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to upload theme to WordPress. Let's get started. So recently, I have actually downloaded this Hover theme. So once you have downloaded the specific theme that you want to upload, you can scroll right here until you can see the option for appearance. So here's appearance right here. Click on themes. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So you can click on this add new theme right here in order to add a theme. Now, once you have clicked on that, it will show you these themes that you have as well. Now, we don't want to get a theme from the theme store. We need to upload a theme. So click on this upload theme right here. Click on this choose file. And then let's select the file right here. Open. And then click on this install now right here. And then once you have clicked on it, it will actually install this particular theme to your WordPress. So from in there, you can head over and then just wait for this right here to finish loading process. So as you can see, it's installing the theme right here. It's unpacking the package, installing, and as you can see, it's been installed successfully. So let's head over to our themes page in order to see that or confirm that it's been actually installed. So let's scroll down, and as you can see, here's Hover right here successfully installed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.